Hi friends, welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn about ad metrics, what will be the measurement, how you can analyze your advertisement, from where you can download your leads that you generated through lead generation advertisement, and then next I'll teach you how you can scale your advertisement. Okay, so I'll give you the overall plan how you can reach out, how can you scale your advertisement. Okay, what the things you can create. Okay, so I'll teach you what things you have to create for running any profitable advertisement. Okay, and then later on I'll tell you about some Facebook hack, how you can go and check your competitor page and you can check their advertisement. Those who are running advertisement, you can check their layout, you can check their content, you can check their images and their landing page. Okay, so let's move to first ad metrics. So we are at our ad manager, right? So in an ad manager there are 4 to 5 things that you have to consider. Okay, first in a row, this is the campaign name. So this is your campaign. Okay, so in a campaign what you can do? So in a campaign you can customize, you can change your daily budget also. Okay, so you can place any, so you can edit from your ad manager. Okay, even you can go to edit, and you can, if you want to edit any campaign once again, so you can go to campaign, then you can go to your ad set. Okay, so you can change your audience, even you can change it to the custom audience or lookalike audience, right? Even you can change into manual placement. Okay, and then in a advertisement you can make changes in the images, in the content, right? You can change anything. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to then publish it once again. Okay, so again this will go for review and this will confirm. Okay, so from here you can edit your advertisement, right? Okay, the second things, so this is a result. So result is all about so result is all about checking the how much clicks are you already got in your particular campaign. Okay, so this is campaign. If you select this campaign, if you go to ad set, in a campaign there be a lot of ad set you can create, and even you can check particular ad set result. Okay, so from here you can check particular ad set result. Okay, then you can check the reach, how many is reach are there, impressions, then cost per result. Okay, then you can check how much you spent in a particular ad set. Okay, so this ad is going on, or scheduling date and all. Then you can check frequency, is all about how many people watched this advertisement again and again, right? Then unique click, right? And if you're running, if you would like to download your lead, so just click on campaign, lead generation campaign. Okay, let me choose some of mine lead generation. Okay, so this is lead generation campaign. Okay, then you have to go to the ad, particular ad selected, and you can download. You can click on this, just I'm telling you result, go to this link, just go to download, or you can figure out in which format you would like to download. Okay, so you will download here. Okay, then you can check your lead and you can call. Okay, so this is all about downloading your lead. Okay, and the second thing, so you can check how many people click on your advertisement. Okay, then you can check how many targeting and creatives. Then you can check okay, now come to breakdown. So in a breakdown you can check by deliverables. कि in which age group they are watched your advertisement, which gender watched your advertisement more, okay, which country, which location, which region have already watched your okay. So you can check each and everything from Facebook ad manager, okay. By ad metrics you can check each and every which platform people are used more to watch your this Facebook ad. So you again you can edit and you can customize as per your result, right? Placement only in newsfeed, mobile app, okay. So you can check and then again you can create and you can republish this advertisement once again. So this is all about ad metrics, okay. Now how you can check your competitor advertisement, okay. So this is very important. So just go to Facebook, okay, just search your competitor, okay. So you can let me figure out some page. So just treat TikTok ads is my competitor, TikTok. So I'll go to page. I go to page transparency, see more, then I go to ad library. So even you can check any page, either you like this page or not. So it's not a point. You can check any page, okay. So just go and you can select area, advertisement area, okay. How many days you have to check? Last 7 days. Platform, which platform they are using? Facebook, any platform you can check. Instagram, audience network, messenger, okay. And then you can check which content they are using, which image they are using, right, and which landing page they are using, okay. So I'm not telling you just copy this content, okay. So from this you can get an idea so that you can easily create an advertisement. You can figure out what I have to write down, okay, what images I have to put, okay. So you can figure out easily from your competitor who already running the advertisement, okay. The second thing you can do, I'm telling you how you can figure out whom they are targeting, right? So just go to any advertisement, okay. So this will make you more perfect, okay, by analyzing others Facebook ad will make you more you can say master in any advertisement, okay. So let me figure out any ad. Oh my god, there's So suppose we come back and now you have to click on this icon, go to why am I seeing this ad, right? So you can check TikTok ads India want to reach people who may be familiar to their customer, okay. So they are running look-like audience, okay. So you can go and you can check, okay. So why I'm seeing this advertisement, okay. So you can learn. So they are running look-like audience, okay, look-like audience advertisement, okay. So just go back and check few more. So they're trying to reach who speak English, UK, US, age group is 22 to 54, and TikTok ad India is trying to reach people who primary location in India. So by clicking on this, after going why am I saying this ad, so you can check which thing they are targeting, which kind of advertising is running on Facebook or by your competitor, right? So you can check easily about your competitor advertisement, about their targeting, what kind of advertisement they are running, okay. So this is all about hacking. Okay, so now I am going to tell you few important points that you have to consider. Okay, so first point that I already taught you in a first or second video. Okay, so always use hook for writing any headline in your advertisement for grabbing their attention. Okay, second is give some unexpected solution so that they can go and check your advertisement with irresistible offer. Okay, next. Okay, so in advertisement option, always start with the traffic advertisement, engagement advertisement, or lead generation. Okay, after this start your conversion optimization. Okay, and before this just trying to install Facebook pixel in your WordPress website or any website that you already using. Okay, now so overall making cold audience to hot audience. So this is the process. First is you have to set up your Facebook pixel, then you have to create your advertisement in the brand awareness or traffic or lead generation. Okay, after 6 to 7 days for scaling your advertisement, you can create a custom audience or lookalike audience, or you can start advertisement on this audience. Okay, or after this you can start advertisement on conversion ads. Okay, so I thought you what is conversion is. Conversion ad is all about tracking a particular URL. Okay, so this is all about retargeting and how to scale your Facebook advertisement. Okay, the next is few points that you have to consider. Keep the text and content very simple so that they will understand what you would like to tell them. Okay, choose the right image for your ad. Okay, so you can choose FB stock image in the account. Okay, you can use Canva for designing any kind of image, right? And please connect with real people. Okay, for any advertisement. Okay, so people connect with real people. Okay, so always remember just put images and your company profile, even your photo will be real, right? And use a contrast color. Okay, so contrast color is all about more appealing color. Okay, like violet, green, blue. So use this kind of color. Okay, so this is all about scaling your advertisement. Okay, and in this I taught you how to analyze your Facebook audience. Okay, what is ad metrics and what you have to do. So friends, this is all about Facebook marketing. So I teach you from basic to advanced. Okay, how to create a traffic advertisement, how to convert it into custom audience, how to start your conversion advertisement, how to analyze your advertisement, how to download your lead generation leads. Okay, and later on how to scale your Facebook advertisement by few tricks and techniques. Thank you for enrolling in this course, and best of luck for your future assignments. Thank you friends.